in my list of case videos where there is going to be a revised camera control button. We're on to the next one, so let's check it out. So here we are with the new Ryan London case with camera control, so let's check it out. So here we are. I don't have an unboxing for you because I was so excited to get this. I absolutely destroyed the packaging, but it's pretty low-key packaging, so it's not really that big of a deal. So, but here we are. So I've got this new version of this case in black. So we'll quickly just do a quick comparison. So I have the first case that I was sent, which is the tan leather color. And as you can see here, if we put these side by side, so there's the version with the cutout, and there is the camera control button there as well. So what do you guys think? Is a cutout a big thing? Do you need to have a button? Let me know in the comments down below, because to me personally, it doesn't really matter that much, but you know, it's nice to hear the feedback from you guys. So let me know in the comments down below. So we'll just weigh this case just to be sure. So we'll just pop the first one on, and it is weighing in at 40 grams. And then if we pop on the second one, it also weighs in at 40 grams. So we've got good consistency there, which is good to see. The one thing I will say that I do notice differently here is the buttons. These are a different style of button on the new version, and I will say straight out of the packaging, these buttons were a little bit stiff. But if you do experience that, see if you just, with the phone out of the case, if you just give them a little bit of working, they will loosen up, and it did resolve that issue for me. So I think it's just a case of these are just freshly made cases, and yeah, they just need to be used basically. But on the inside then we have our microfiber lining and our Ryan London branding, which is pretty self-explanatory. The buttons are coated, which is good to see. And then of course then we have our camera control button here on the inside. So this doesn't look to be the button that a lot of case makers are using, which have like copper contact. So this looks to be a different one. If dare I say it, it looks Spigen-esque. So yeah, let's check this out. So let's just pop the phone in. And straight away, that's a real good fit. Really like that. And of course then we've got our Ryan London branding here, which is very low key and subtle. It is a full bumper case, so you've got full protection all the way around. And then of course with our camera control button, it is nice and smoothed off there. And then we have our USB-C and our speaker cutouts as well. So it is a very, very nice case. We'll just test these buttons. So obviously I have given them a little bit of a loosening. So yep, they're all clicky, tactile, responding well. That is exactly what you want to see. And then let's move on to the big thing, the reason that you're here. Let's move on to the camera control button. So if we just give that a double click, bosh, there we go, camera is up and running. And then if we just take a look at the feedback there, so the feedback is very, very good on it. Full disclosure, I have been using this case most of today, and it has been really decent. Now I haven't had any lag or any dropouts when using this, and when I've been like flicking through modes and testing the button, I have actually been getting used to the way the button works, which goes to show you just how much I don't use it. But yeah, so just the soft taps that change the modes and stuff and things like that. So yeah, that all works really, really well. So let's just do the fitment test then. So if we just take the corners and we just give it a twist. Typically with some leather cases, if they don't fit well, they'll pop out here at the corners. This is not popping out at all. That is what you want to see. It's a good strong fit. And if we just do a pressure test on the corners, it does take a good bit of pressure to get this off. That is a good thing to see as well. I'm really impressed with the fitment. Screen lip then, so it is a minimal leather case, but we do get a bit of a lip, and it is consistent all the way around. So you will get that set down flat protection. If you set your phone down flat, it is going to give you that lift up protection to protect that display. The camera guard then is metal, so the lenses don't protrude out, which is what you want to see. Absolutely perfect. Set that down flat, those lenses are going to be lifted up and they're going to be protected. So the feel of this case, this is a full grain leather, and literally when I took this out of the packaging, because it was brand new, it smells amazing. And when I took it out of the case, it was smooth and it was actually quite slippery. But even now that I've been using it for the past, what, four and a bit hours, it feels totally different now that I've been using it. So it's starting to absorb those like oils from my hands and things like that there, and it's going to get that real good leather feel, and it is really, really nice. This is the black version as well, and I will say I've nothing against brown, but I do prefer the black color if I'm being 100% honest. But the brown is very, very nice as well, but the black, chef kiss. And of course it is a Magsafe case, so we can do a Magsafe test. So if we just get our trusty stand and we pop this on. So magnets have been decent on the Ryan London cases, so let's just hope that they are just as good. And yep, that's exactly what you want to see. It's taking the full weight of the stand, and the stand's taking the full weight of the phone. Absolutely perfect. That's what you want to see. And if we just plug in this stand, and we'll just do a quick charge test as well. Pop that on. No problem at all there. We've got no interference with the Magsafe charging. And yeah, that's what you want to see. Absolutely perfect. My final thoughts. Yeah, this was already a really great case, and the fact now that we don't have a cutout on this full grain leather case, it is definitely a must-have pickup. And I will say, so far, as of this video, Ryan London are the only leather case makers that have done a camera control button case. So I'm not sure if that's important to you, but if you're holding out for a leather case with a camera control button, this one is a must-have. You definitely must pick this up because it is really, really good. I cannot fault the quality of this whatsoever. So yeah, it's a big thumbs up from me. I will leave you an affiliate link in the description down below. Also, I do have a discount code from Ryan London. If you use MTT10 at checkout, you will get 10% off your order. So if you do pick up using my links, it won't cost you guys any more money, but you will support the channel. So thanks for your support. Much appreciated. And that about wraps it up for this video. So stay tuned. I am going to be getting more cases in with revised camera control buttons. So stay tuned. They are going to come as more brands are starting to drop them. So stay tuned for that. Also, let me know in the comments down below, what brands are you looking forward to getting a camera control button case? Let me know in the comments down below. And that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked on the channel. I have a lot more content coming. So if you want some more down-to-earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. But until the next one, I'll catch you later. Leather, baby. Oh yeah.